My name is CJ Sturckow. I'm a pilot at Virgin Galactic. I flew 4 missions with NASA to as shuttle commander.
Unity, you are MCC go for release.
3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
You cannot be overtrained. Each station in Mission Control is looking at their own particular area of responsibility. Well, the prop station is looking at their rocket motor data. The stabs team is watching their currents and the rates of their stabs as they make the gamma turns.
Unity, we're showing test point Bravo complete.
As spacesuit, I'm monitoring the trajectory to make sure the vehicle is performing as expected. So it's not until the crew has exited the vehicle and it's turned back over to maintenance that we can really drop our focus.
Roger, wheel stop, Unity. Welcome back to planet Earth.